Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Facebook account from Mico. So let's get started. First, open your Mico application. Then press the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you'll see the gear icon at the top right. Tap on it. Among all of these options, select the very first option, that is account and security. Click on the Facebook option and then tap on Unlink option. Choose any one of the options and then enter the code that is sent by Mico. And this is how you can unlink Facebook account from Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.